Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add skills on your Indeed account. It's a very simple process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to add skills on your Indeed profile, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In order to add skills to your profile, you need to scroll down, and here you can see the qualifications section. Tap on it. Here you can update your qualifications. In order to add specific skills, you can see the skill section over here. And right beside that, you can see the pen icon. Tap on it. This will allow you to add or update your skills. In order to add a new skill, you can see the plus icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you can mention the name of the skill that you have acquired. Let's say I'll add a programming skill. And right below that, you can also mention the years of experience that you have with this skill. For example, I'll put 1 year. Once you're done filling up this information, you can tap on the save button. And the skill has been added to my profile. Similarly, you can add more skills as per your requirements. So that's it. That's how you can add skills on your Indeed profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.